Make a Beyblade arena. Build a Hot Wheels maintenance shop. Restore old blades and invent a racetrack. Watch our new video to learn simple life hacks for your favorite toys. Welcome to the Hot Blade Auto and Body Shop. We fix and remodel your favorite toys right here. And here's the shop owner, Ben Blade himself. He's ready to receive clients. He recently finished construction of a multi-level Hot Wheels parking garage. Cut a cardboard roll from Saran Wrap into 4 parts. Coat it with acrylic paint. Cover a wooden box with white acrylic paint. And glue the tubes into it. Attach a printed-out garage sign. Put a car into each tube. Ben Blade runs inventory on all his cars, new and old. And here's our first client. Stevie asks him to replace a part in his car and pick out a big garage for his collection. Ben Blade is so happy to present him with his roomy garage. Stevie's entire Hot Wheels collection will fit in here. But Stevie is a die-hard racer. He asks Ben to add some adrenaline to his life. Ben has what he needs: a racetrack for his cars. Glue stickers with racetrack designations onto a sheet of foam core. Draw racing stripes with a white marker. Make lane dividers out of double-sided tape and attach Legos to them. Put the wooden garage down to be bleachers. Lay down a foam rubber sheet and make rows of seats out of Legos. Fill the bleachers with Lego minifigures as viewers. Ben Blade raises the game's adrenaline level. He puts down a ramp. The viewers are ready. The race cars take their places. 1, 2, 3! We have a winner! Stevie likes this racetrack. He takes it for himself. What about parking? Kids these days! The Hot Blade store has a new customer. Meet Cowboy Greg, a serious Beyblade player. He has an unusual request. Turn regular plastic into a super arena for his Beyblades. Mark up a regular Beyblade stadium with permanent markers. Divide it into 4 sectors. Draw a circle in the center and make a big divider around the perimeter of the stadium. Trace hexagons with a template. Fill the whole arena with them. Cover the outer walls with a yellow foam rubber sheet. Attach stickers inside. Ben Blade made it work! Our first-class arena for intense competitions is ready! Let's battle! But Ben Blade immediately mocks the Cowboys' old equipment. That's no good! This blade needs an upgrade. Take apart an old Beyblade. Decorate the clear part with paints for stained glass. After the paint dries, reassemble the Beyblade. Ben Blade gives the cowboy his new and improved Beyblade. Isn't it a masterpiece? Let's start our battle! The restored Beyblade destroyed its opponent. Cowboys always win! And don't forget a carrying case. Cut a rectangular door out of a cardboard tube. Poke one side through with an awl so the door will open. Put a rolled up sheet of felt inside. Trace a lid on the felt and cut out 2 circles. Cover the lid and the base of the tube with felt. Mark an opening for the door on the felt and cut out a flap. Glue the felt onto the inside of the door. Use double-sided tape. Cover the tube with self-adhesive decorative paper. Glue Velcro onto the door. Make a webbing handle and decorate the case with stickers. Trace the sticker outlines in marker. Put Beyblades inside the case. Cowboy Greg hides all his blades in his pencil case. Thanks, Beyblade! You're the best, dude! Our new customer is Crybaby Ron. His cars need diagnostics and maintenance. You've come to the right place. My toy car restoration workshop is at your service. Mark walls on a big rectangular box. Cut out holes for doors. Decorate the walls with corrugated cardboard. Make it look like the shades of a workshop. Color it with acrylic paint. Attach a wooden skewer above the doors. Tone the wall and floor with silver paint. Cover a cutout box lid with a sheet of clear plastic. Decorate the inner walls with felt. Cut 2 arches out of foam core. Cut a rectangular piece of foam core along the edges and glue the platform into the box. Glue in a wall and a printed out strip. Cut up a bottle brush and glue it into a foam core arch. Put the body of the washer onto the platform. Cut a sheet of felt into strips, but not all the way. Attach it to the second arch. Decorate the walls with Hot Wheels stickers. Make a car lift out of foam core with decorative cardboard. Cut broken headphones. Make a table for computer diagnostics out of foam core. And glue a headphone with its wire on top. Attach a model computer monitor onto the headphone. And attach a model keyboard. Make a shelf out of foam core and pieces of toothpicks. Make a tire pump out of plastic caps and a plug. Color it with acrylic paint. Glue plastic wheels from a toy car to the base. Put all the pieces into the workshop. Beyblade drives the car into the shop. It goes through diagnostics, and he pumps its tires. We don't forget to wash the car. Amazing service! Ron's cars are squeaky clean. Their brakes are in perfect working order. Ron wants something else. 3 of his cars need a tune-up. Ben will see what he can do. Clean old cars with rubbing alcohol. Coat 1 car with thermal effect nail polish. Color the windows with clear nail polish. Make a design on the car with a thin brush. Add details with white nail polish. Cover the second car with glitter polish. Add details with another color of polish. Cover the original stripes on the third car with masking tape. Coat the rest of the car with colorful nail polish. Leave the windows transparent. Remove the masking tape and paint the stripes in another color of polish. After a couple of minutes, the new and improved cars roll out of the shop. How gorgeous! But there's more! Ben shows off a new feature. Dip the car into a glass of hot water and it changes color. How about that? It's an auto miracle! But that's still not all. Ben gives his regular client a bonus. A case for transporting his cars. Get a plastic lunchbox. Cut 2 openings for handles with a hot knife. And insert a plastic handle from a toy box. Mark the size of the box on a piece of felt. Cut it out. Attach double-sided tape and glue felt inside the box. Cover both sides. Divide a strip of felt into even parts. Make folds with double-sided tape and put the divider into the box. Place the cars inside. Glue a printed-out Hot Wheels sticker to the lid. Ron puts all his clean, renovated cars into the organizer. Thank you so much, Mr. Blade, for the world-class auto service. Ben is testing some blades, and he has a new customer. Kiddo has a lot of Beyblades, but not a single stadium. Ben will help this youngster. Cut a big plastic basin apart with a hot knife. Turn the bottom over and glue it to the top of the basin like onto a stand. Cut pipe insulation lengthwise. Put it onto the edge and glue it on. Cover the inside walls of the arena with acrylic primer and color it with acrylic paint. Put acrylic polish on too. Decorate the stadium with printed stickers. Now Kiddo has a place to let his blades run wild. And Beyblade gives the boy some souvenirs as a goodbye gift: magnets and keychains. Get an old toy car and the upper part of a Beyblade. Glue small magnets onto double-sided foam tape. Attach them to the toys. Attach keychain rings onto a plane and part of a Beyblade. Pick a gift, Kiddo! A cute magnet or a keychain. Kiddo can't decide. They're all great. Then take them all. Did you like our life hacks for your favorite toys? Then let us know in the comments about which one you'll use for your Hot Wheels or Beyblades. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell so you don't miss new toy life hacks from Troom Troom.